created the ultimate paper airplane. A lot of modifications. Reduce the paper size. I think this is a much more optimal size for a paper airplane. And what I've done, as you can see, is I've created a tail with, I don't know what you call these things, but I was watching the
paper.
As I was going from San Francisco to Newark, both airports, I was watching other airplanes and how they're built, and I came up with this new design of creating this split at the top and also increasing stability by the flaps on the sides, and then a little bit of air resistance on the flaps here, which creates a great flight. You ready?
We're ready.
Oh!
I don't think we could see that. It was too fast. Do it again? Hold on, wait.
Coming right at you.
All right.